Hello, today we gonna watch how to test spin or wash motor of this manual washing machine. You can see the back side of this washing machine, and here are two motors. This is the one, as you can see, spin motor, and another one is here. This is wash motor. So let me remove, then test. Finally I removed the motor. As you can see, this is the motor. This motor has 3 wires. So let's see here. So purple and blue is for capacitor, and azul, you can see here, blue and purple, this is for capacitor, and this one is common. So to test this motor we need 4.5 MFT capacitor. Okay, let's check. First of all, we have to test with this analog meter. So we will test this motor with this analog meter first of all. So first rotate this rotator and set on one clone here. Let's see. Okay, now let's see, we can test one by one here, one here, see, and another one, nothing, and with this, nothing. Let me show you another motor. I have this another motor, so it means it is not working, it is broken from inside. So now you can see this one. Let me show you first wiring. See, it must be like this. Everyone must be like this. Okay, and now let me show you. Where is this motor? See, this is the motor. This is wash motor actually. Now let's check this motor with the capacitor. I connected wires with the capacitor. This is common. So we will use 2 wires, one here directly, one here or here. Whatever you want, you can check. If you check here, it will turn, for example, it will running like this, and if you change here, it will rotate like this. So let's see. See, finally I connected one wire with the common, and this is the second one. Let's check. Not running. See, it does not work. Now see what happened. Make sure these both wire will not connect, will not touch each other. Okay, that's it. So that's it. It is not working. It is good working.